Okay, after doing the timing chain at the shop 7 or 8 months ago, and now we have a new clutch. The R60 is starting up pretty well, cold starts. I'll put this on the rock here and then show you what the next project is. Running quite smooth now. Haven't had a problem in almost 2 months, which is good. Knock on wood. Through the paint. And next on the menu is cleaning up the garage, but in here we have my 441 frame all painted, waiting for some parts off of this bike, the old tailpiece, and we have the barrel to put on the engine in case we have a problem with the engine. We have a second engine, but we don't need the second engine. We're going to use that barrel, and that's the 12-to-1 barrel with the skimmed head, and the head was in really good shape after about 30,000 miles. We got some forks to put together, but within a month we're going to hear this bike fire up, and I've got a couple of old bikes for sale too up there. I've got to get rid of all the garbage in here, but I haven't really been in here in 6 months, so 4 or 5 months since I bought those stupid BMWs. So it's time to get back on a real motorcycle, a BSA, and looking forward to that. So sounds like this is idling now. So we'll be able to get all the parts for the BSA with the BMW, and I'll show you a video once I get all the rolling frame up and going. Have a good day, guys.